The 4th generation 5.3 liter engine was first released in 2007 in the new body style Silverado and Sierra. With output increasing to 315 from the previous 285, it's the more sought after 5.3 liter engine available. And today I'm going to be talking about why I believe this engine is just made from leftover GM parts that they threw together to make a well-performing 5.3 liter engine. The first recycled GM part we're going to talk about is, you guessed it, the intake manifold. All 2007 through 2014 GM full-size trucks use this design manifold, which surprisingly is not new. From 2007 on up, this manifold was first released for the 2006 Trailblazer SS, and GM opted to use this as a factory manifold for all 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, and even 6.2 liter truck engines, although the 6.0 and 6.2 got a rectangle port design, but essentially the design of the manifold itself stays the same. The next item on our recycled GM parts list are the cylinder heads. All 2007 through 2014 4.8 and 5.3 liter engines use an all-new 243 or 799 cast cylinder head, which, guess what, isn't new at all, not even a little, because the first time this head was released was in 2000, 7 years before the 4th generation 5.3. These heads came factory on the 2000 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, with the only difference being the Z06 had sodium-filled lightweight valves and the truck variants had solid valves. But essentially it's the exact same head, 7 years before the 4th generation 5.3 liter engine was released. Item number 3 on our recycled parts list are the pistons. Generation 3, 4.8, and 5.3 liter engines had the same compression ratio, but to do this, they had to make the 5.3 liter pistons dished. This is because the 5.3 had a longer stroke, and if they weren't dished, it would have a higher compression ratio. So the 4.8 used flat tops, and the 5.3 liter used dished. But what GM decided to do was stick the flat top 4.8 pistons in the 5.3, naturally bumping up the compression ratio from about 9.4 to 1 all the way to about 9.9 to 1. So in my opinion, those are 3 recycled parts GM used to bump the output of the Generation 4 up to about 320 to 330 from the previous 285 in the Generation 3. If you like this video and you want to see more LS content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to link some cam videos I have in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.